What happens to your body when you eat lemons regularly? Hi everyone, welcome back to the 3-Minute Health. Today I'm going to talk about the amazing health benefits of eating lemons regularly. Lemons are not only delicious and refreshing, but they are also packed with vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can improve your well-being. In this video, I will share with you 6 things that happen to your body when you eat lemons regularly. Let's get started. 1. You look younger. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and skin health. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic, preventing wrinkles and sagging. According to a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, high vitamin C intake was associated with a lower likelihood to develop wrinkles and less skin dryness. So, if you want to keep your skin glowing and youthful, squeeze some lemon juice into your water or tea every day. 2. You lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. Lemons can help lower your blood pressure by providing potassium, which helps balance the sodium levels in your body. Lemons also contain citrus flavonoids, which are antioxidants that protect your blood vessels and reduce inflammation too. One study found that people who ate at least half a lemon a day, coupled with walking about 7,000 steps, greatly improved their blood pressure levels. 3. You feel fuller and lose weight. Lemons can help you control your appetite and weight by providing pectin, which is a type of soluble fiber that expands in your stomach and makes you feel full. Pectin also slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes and cravings. Additionally, lemons contain polyphenol, which are plant compounds that may prevent or reduce weight gain by modulating your metabolism and fat burning. 4. You prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are small lumps that form when waste products crystallize and build up in your kidneys. They can cause severe pain and complications if left untreated. Lemons can help prevent kidney stones by increasing your urine volume and acidity, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. Citric acid, which is abundant in lemons, can also bind to calcium and other minerals in your urine, preventing them from crystallizing. 5. You boost your immune system. Lemons can help you fight off infections and diseases by strengthening your immune system. Vitamin C, which is abundant in lemons, is a powerful antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals, enhance your white blood cells, and increase your antibody production. Lemons also have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can inhibit the growth of harmful microbes in your body. 6. You improve your digestion. Lemons can help you improve your digestion and relieve various digestive issues, such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Lemons stimulate the production of bile, which is a fluid that helps break down fats and absorb nutrients in your intestines. Lemons also increase the secretion of saliva and gastric juices, which aid in the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates and proteins. Furthermore, lemons can help detoxify your liver and colon by flushing out toxins and waste products. So, these are some of the amazing things that happen to your body when you eat lemons regularly. Lemons are not only tasty and refreshing, but they are also super healthy and beneficial for your well-being. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from eating more lemons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.